Today, I'm explaining the difference between aeronautical engineering and aerospace engineering in a very simple way. Aeronautical engineering is mainly about things that fly within Earth's atmosphere. That means aircraft like airplanes, helicopters, drones, fighter jets, and anything designed to operate in the air around us. Aeronautical engineers focus on aerodynamics, propulsion, aircraft structures, stability and control, and overall performance of vehicles that stay inside the atmosphere. Aerospace engineering is a bigger umbrella. It includes everything in aeronautical engineering, but it also goes beyond the atmosphere into space. So, along with aircraft, aerospace engineering covers rockets, satellites, space stations, re entry vehicles, planetary probes, and even future concepts like space tourism and interplanetary travel. A simple way to remember is this: aeronautical equals inside the atmosphere, aerospace equals inside the atmosphere and beyond the atmosphere. So, every aeronautical engineer is basically working within a part of aerospace engineering, but an aerospace engineer works in both worlds, air and space. Both fields rely on physics, fluid dynamics, materials, propulsion, and control systems. But aerospace adds extra challenges like zero gravity, vacuum conditions, extreme temperatures, and orbital mechanics. In short, if you're excited about aircraft, you're thinking aeronautical. If you're excited about both aircraft and space vehicles, you're thinking aerospace.